welcome back to another video. I, Srishti Mishra, legal intern in LexClick & Company, is going to present today's video topic, that is criminal intimidation section 503 of Indian Penal Code. So starting with an instance, that is A for the purpose of inducing B to resist from pursuing the civil code and were threatening to burn B house. Therefore, in this case, what happened that A is guilty for criminal intimidation. Now, what is criminal intimidation? If I say criminal intimidation, that is in layman language, it means धमकाना, किसी को इस तरीके से धमकाना that person, the person who is threatening someone, say that I'll kill you if you do not do my work, I'll kill you if you do that work. So in this case, धमकाना and what happened that criminal intimidation take place, and we will discuss all about in this video only. So whosoever threatening another person with any injury to his person, reputation or property, or to the person or reputation anyone in whom that person is entrusted with the intent to cause alarm to that person or to cause that person to do any act which is not legally bound or legally bound to do, or to omit to do anything which that person is going to do something legally work, entitled to do so. So as it means that of avoiding the execution of such threat commits criminal intimidation. So criminal intimidation means dhamkana, which I already told you. Now, when criminal intimidation takes place is done to any individual, then what's happened, that state of mind of that person get disturbed and he is in trauma and he is in such circumstances that he engage himself in that work which is not legally bound, which is against law. Therefore, threatening someone is a crime, or if I say that crime in IPC, that is Indian Penal Code, plus punishment are also written down. Now suppose that there are some kinds of threatening that are mentioned under Indian Penal Code, and there are three kinds. So first kind is that if someone is threatening, bragging about the person body, that if you do not do my work, or if you do that work, I'll kill you, I'll harm you, I'll give you some grievous hurt. So in this case, this is the first kind of threatening. Another kind is that if someone is threatening by getting about the property, that if you do not do my work or you do my work, I'll burn your house, I'll burn your car, I'll harm your car, and etc. and etc. Now third point is that if someone is threatening another with any injury to his personal reputation, that if suppose that someone say that I know knowing all about you, everything about you, now I'll tell everything outside so that your reputation gets spoiled. So in this case, the harm is to the reputation. So these three are the kinds of reputation, threatening kinds of threatening. Now it is very important to know that why threatening take place, why criminal intimidation take place, and due to which threatening take place. So there are two major kinds. First kind is that if someone is asking to do some unlawful things, उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि the work which is done, that is lawful or not lawful, but that person tells another person to do that work, and due to which if he say no to that, the criminal intimidation starts, where he say that if you do not do, I'll kill you, I'll do that with you, with the property or with the reputation. Now another point is that if someone is stopping you to do legal work, like you are going somewhere to do some legal work and that person stops you from doing that, and in that case what's happened, that criminal intimidation take place, you are going to do that work, I'll kill you now. So due to that situation, circumstances, that person stopped doing that work. So these are two major points which are about the criminal intimidation. Now talking about the punishment, what are the punishments? So punishment here is mentioned under section 506 of Indian Penal Code. So normal criminal intimidation, if I say that if you do not that work, I'll harm you. Simply say I'll harm you. So in this case, what happened that 2 years of imprisonment or fine or with both. If now another point is that another punishment. If threat be to the cause death, if threat इस तरीके से बोला गया हो कि वो कॉज डेथ के बारे में और ग्रीवियस हर्ट एंड एक्सेट्रा इन दिस केस व्हाट हैपन दैट द पनिशमेंट इज 7 years of imprisonment or fine or both. So this is whole about section 503, that is criminal intimidation, and I hope you find this video useful. And if you find this video useful, go and smash the like button, subscribe to channel and let me know your feedback in the comment box below down. Till then, take care, goodbye.